How I made this beginner friendly hairband. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be taking you on a step-by-step tutorial on how I achieved making this beautiful hairband you can see here on the screen. So if this is what you're interested in learning, stay tuned. So the first thing I had to do is fold my fabric into two, and when I opened it up, it was 3 inches for the width, then the length it was 12 inches, just as you can see. Now I went ahead to fold it back like this. I hope you can see what I just did. Then I'll go ahead and run a straight stitch over here to this other point. Now after doing that, this is what it looks like. I'm done stitching it, and this is what it looks like. Now I'll go ahead and use my stick here, this long stick, to turn it over to the front. You can also use a safety pin to turn it over to the front, so it just totally depends on you. So I'm just basically turning it to the front now. And yeah guys, this is it here. I'm done, and this is how it looks like. So guys, you can see as it is here like this, you can see it's a little bit rumpled. So what I have to do is just to straighten it out and go ahead and use my iron to iron it out so that it comes flat. I hope you can see. So I'm going to iron it this way, and you can see guys, I'm done ironing it out. You can see how flat it looks like. Now I've gone ahead to bring my elastic. This is a 1/2 inch elastic, and the length I'm using is 4.5. So I'll go ahead now. I use my safety pin to put the elastic inside, and I'll be passing it through what we have just sewn, just like this. I hope you can see guys. I hope so. Just pay attention carefully. So guys, if you have watched this video to this point, do well to subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials, and don't forget to turn on your notification so you'll be among the first to receive a notification whenever I upload new tutorials. So guys, now guys, I'm done passing it into this. I hope you can see. I'll go ahead and secure it at both ends. So I'll be using my pin to secure it so that the elastic won't slip away from that edge there. I hope you can see. And I'll also come to this other edge here, and I'll also go ahead and use my pin to secure it just like this. Now that we have done that, I'll be stitching both ends with about 1/2 inch allowance. Now this is it after I am done stitching both ends. You can see how it looks like. I'll drop that aside, and over here I've gone ahead to bring the fabric. The width was 7.5 inches and the length, as you can see, is 18 inches. And what I have to do is to fold it also into 2 equal parts, just like this. I hope you'll see. Now I'll go ahead and also run a straight stitch from that point to this other point. And guys, this is what it looks like after I was done stitching. I hope you can see it. And guys, now we have done that, we'll also go ahead and turn it over to the front part. So I'm using my scissors to just turn this over. I hope you see. So guys, if you have watched this point, do well to comment whether you found this video helpful or whether you'll be trying it out. So just do well to leave a comment below. Guys, I've done turning it over to the front. I hope you can see how it looks like. I can see it's also looking rumpled. So I'm just cutting out the threads that are here. And I'll also go ahead to iron it out to give us a flatter surface. I hope you see the way I placed it. So this is how we are going to be ironing it out. So guys, this one part is going to be at the back at the middle point, then this other part here, just like this. Now guys, I am done ironing it, and this is what it looks like. You can see how flat it now looks. The next thing we are going to do is to bring out that first one we dropped aside, and I'm going to be bringing it like this, placing it on this bigger one like this at the middle point here, and I'm going to fold this on it and fold this on it also. Then I'm going to be using my pin to secure it. I hope you understand. So even if you don't understand, just rewatch that part now. I'll also bring this other end here and place it on this part here like this on the middle point, and I'll be taking this end and place it on it, and I'll place this other end on it. So make sure you place it very well so that it doesn't slip out. Now the last thing I'm going to do is to use my pin to secure it, this end like this. Make sure you secure it tightly. Then I'll go ahead and just stitch this end using about 1/2 inch, both ends of it. Now guys, I am done stitching it. You can see what they look like. I'll go ahead now to turn it now to the front. I hope you can see, just like this. And just like that, our hairband is ready. I hope you can see how easy it was. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, do well to like this video, leave a comment, and share for more amazing tutorials like this.